I cried a lot.
Take my hand and hold it tight.
Good morning. It is 3 in the morning. And welcome back to my channel if you're new here. My name's Rosie and I'm a research assistant at the University of Cambridge. I am so excited. This evening I have the premiere of All of Those Voices. Somehow managed to win tickets, so I'm going with someone who I've never actually met before, but they reached out to me on Instagram to ask if I wanted to go to the actual film just in the cinema with them because they couldn't find anyone who they knew also liked One Direction, Louis, etc. So we're going to that together still, but I thought it'd be nice to ask her to come to this. So we're getting the bus into London at like 2 because there's a train strike. Classic. There's always a train strike when Louis does things. I don't have a clue what to expect. We haven't really had any information. Like, we've just had an email saying we're on a guest list and that is it. In the meantime, I do need to work. It's time to get ready for work. I need to start at 9, but I'm working from home, so I've got like an hour and 15 minutes to finish my packing, get ready for work and sit down with my laptop. I'm gonna obviously work until I have to get the coach and then continue on the coach, and that'll be fine because I worked extra hours yesterday and the day before. So in fact, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday I've worked 1 to 2 extra hours, so that's fine. Okay, I'll see you when I'm dressed.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah, and now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine.
Okay, I just stopped for lunch. I'm all packed. I think I'm ready. It's getting real. I should have filmed my lunch. It was quite the achievement. I made risotto. I'll put a picture of it. Ta-da. It was a recipe from Green Chef, and I'll put my code and stuff in the description because then you get a discount, I get a discount, everyone gets a discount.
Oh, it's what you do to me. Everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of ice.
We're off. The buses go. It's like what, 2 hours?
Yes, just whatever.
What's your channel?
Life of Lou.
Medical student?
Yes, third year now. Yeah.
So at some point on this journey, I'm going to attempt to put my makeup on, and I will see you when that's happened because nothing else exciting is happening for the next 2 hours.
The memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you be, yeah. Since our break, I'm sorry that I blamed ya.
We made it, finally. We actually ended up getting off the coach a stop early because it was running late, and this was quicker. I now have an hour to get myself completely ready and get halfway across London. So basically I have half an hour to do everything. So let's go. I also bought myself a Burger King to eat whilst I was getting ready. I got some vegan nuggets and chips and a Diet Coke. My room is literally this little tiny box, but I can't complain. The view is actually really nice and it's right next to Paddington, so all good for me. So it turns out I brought my phone charger, which was really smart.
I'm glad, you know what I mean? I've been a manual in months.
Okay, let's go. I don't even know what I'm doing. Do I bother with this? Or is this gonna be an absolute fail? Who knows? Forgot my red lipstick. I apologise to my neighbours. Okay, I'm going for like a red theme, as you probably gathered. I don't know if this is gonna look decent or not. That's a very pink red. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. There's people already there. Obviously there was gonna be people already there, but there's been people already there like all day. I kind of get it because like this is a once in a lifetime thing, let's be honest. But also, it's not a concert, it's a premiere. I'm also really hoping that those Burger King nuggets were actually the vegan nuggets, because I don't know if I'll be able to tell the difference anymore. I have checked the ingredients of the normal chicken ones because I am deathly allergic to milk, and so that would really put a downer on my night if I died. But thankfully they even the chicken ones don't have milk in, so now do I do this? Do I do this? I'm doing it. They're pointing in different direction. I want them in one direction. Give it up for one edition! Okay, this is my outfit. Ignore everything on the bed. Got the boots. I've got our black leather jacket to go over the top. And open my mouth. Off I go. I want my bag. All red and black. I can't wait. Okay, I've arrived. So I'm just waiting for Lou. We're in the queue. Vegan's so strong. The queue is moving, sort of, in small,
Not particularly far and not particularly fast, but it's moving, so that's the
but apparently people are already in there, so I'm stressed. For no reason, because we have tickets.
Yeah, we got tickets, we just don't have wristbands, but that shouldn't matter.
And it's meant, so the wristbands, they're meant to be for the red carpet premiere, but there's people already in there on the red carpet, so I don't know how much room there's going to be and whether we're just going to get into the screening.
Right at the back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh well, we'll update you in a second.
Yeah.
Update! We haven't gone anywhere, but we are seeing like a big clump of what's probably VIP, because only the poets are in that queue. I recognise them, and there'll be other people that I can't see from here. But that's where we've got. Yeah. Oh my god. We just saw Liam. Yeah. Oh my
The watermelon lover.
We just saw Louis walk past right in front of us. I'll put a clip. I didn't take it. One of these girls did.
That was mad.
Oh my god. Okay. Louis! Hey Ken! Oh my god! Okay, we're so close now. Now, we don't know what's happening. Nobody knows what's happening. But we're nearly at the front, and apparently we're going to cross the carpet.
Yeah.
This way, keep moving.
We're going. Oh my god, they're on the stairs. Oh, nearly dropped my phone. We're in! We have to take pictures. Yes. Photos, let's go. Okay, this is so cool. Wait, should we wait for all of them? I'm so excited.
Hey there guys, come through. You can use the stairs up there, you might get quicker, or you can use these ones. As long as it's a red wristband, you can sit wherever you like. As long as it does the same reserved.
Thank you. Do you want to go up that way?
Kind of feel like I'm on something.
We're set.
Ready. Oh wait, no, there's a set of seats down the front, aren't there?
Got popcorn.
And water. Needed. Very hungry and thirsty after queuing. But it's worth it.
Just waiting for it to start now.
We've got good seats. We have. Different view.
All of his family are sat like just there. And we can see the chairs for the Q&A really well. Although they're a bit blinding behind the lights. And their screen is huge.
Yeah. We're quite close, so. Probably too close, but oh well.
Good evening, Leicester Square! He's known for a long time as well. He works with Sir Paul McCartney, he works with Kasabian. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the gorgeous, pouting, fragrant, super talented Charlie Lightning! Hello. I should say, Charlie, Louis' dad said earlier on that you didn't get clearance for his part of the film, so we've got to negotiate money now. £5,000.
I'll be getting off you. I heard you've got a spare word.
Plenty of money, right? Charlie, have a seat. And the main man, ladies and gentlemen, I'd love you to put a huge, huge warm welcome for Leicester Square together for the one and only superstar of the evening, Mr. Louis Tomlinson!
Hello, hello.
The talent has arrived, ladies and gentlemen. The talent
Here we
has
are.
arrived. Louis, we should start with you. Would you like to say hello to some of these people that have come from far and wide to see you?
Yeah, just a massive hello everyone. Just a massive thank you. None of this would be possible without you guys, so thank you for allowing me to do something as amazing as this.
She was playing volleyball. I never miss her phone call. She's got me doing somersaults. I swear to God, I think I found my heart full. She likes the way I play the game, but once it gets late and over.
How are you feeling?
I don't know, like, sad. It's fun. Very sad. But we get to watch it again next week.
We do. It's exciting.
Really good. It was really good.
It was
And
really good,
emotional
wasn't
as
it?
well. It was really cute.
I cried a lot. I honestly didn't think I would cry much. It was the scenes with like Freddie.
I didn't. Yeah, that was what got me because I was like, I'm emotional with the rest of it, and then that was what like actually made me cry.
And my mum is going to watch it, I think, by herself as well.
My mum wouldn't cope. She would.
And she's going to be crying all over.
Yeah.
I'm calling you out, Mum. You cry at everything.
Right, great, now big force.
Right, ladies.
Mental. Which way? We're on our way back to the tube now.
Still feeling quite sad that it's over. Like,
I know.
it's really fun.
It's done, but it was amazing. And also, I don't think I've ever been here before.
Oh, Chinatown. It's cool.
No.
It's cool.
Don't think I have. Part of me like wants to go to a bar because I feel so hyped,
Quite cool, aren't they?
but then also I don't want to be stranded in the middle of London. Look at a pride flat. Okay, I need to save my charge.
Oh yeah, you do.
I've returned to the hotel, feeling a little bit dishevelled, but what an amazing night. Wow. The lighting in here is terrible, so you're just gonna have to put up with that. I'd quite like to open my window because it is absolutely boiling. Now, I have some chicken nuggets left. Well, not chicken, obviously, but they're kind of stale. But I'm just gonna sit and eat those. Take my makeup off. Tidy up this room a bit because, quite frankly, it looks like a bomb's gone off. And then I'm gonna put all the footage I took on my phone on the computer so that I can edit this vlog as fast as possible for you guys. I spent the whole time thinking, like, I'm probably never ever gonna have this opportunity again in my life. Like, that really was a once in a lifetime thing. I literally walked on the red carpet to get in. On the red carpet. It's amazing. My camera's actually dying, so I'm gonna log off there, take my makeup off, go to bed. I had to sort my tear stains out in the toilets afterwards. Going on 25 years old, and I'm okay with that. Still crying over One Direction.